One of our top picks in London, located within 200 metres of Arts Theatre and 300 metres of Prince of Wales Theatre, Assembly Hotel offers rooms with air conditioning and a private bathroom in London. The property is located 300 metres from Charing Cross Road and a 3-minute walk from Trafalgar Square. Each room features a walk-in power shower and free Wi-Fi. Shaftesbury Avenue is 300 metres from the hotel. London City Airport is 7.5 miles from the property. Westminster Borough is a great choice for travellers interested in shopping, parks and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.